Now, your exclusive local alert weather forecast from Central Oregon's news leader.
Folks, we had some light rain shower activity off and on throughout most of the day. Good bulk of that moisture was off to the east and off to the northwest. Here's what we got going on at Aubrey Butte. We could see some clearing as we see the clouds kind of hugging the mountains, but there is some break there in that cloud cover with a little bit of blue shining through. Here's what's going on as far as our roadways are concerned. We do have wet roads through the area. Don't expect much drying now. Of course, Bend there downtown is dry, but we are looking at Sisters, Lapine, and Prineville with that wet roadway. And here's what we got going on for you as far as our future track wind gusts, because it's also going to be kind of gusty moving forward through the next 12 hours and again tomorrow. Gusts in Redmond over the next 12 hours will be in the 20 to near 30-mile-an-hour range at times. In Bend, we'll get up to the 30-mile-an-hour range at the 8 o'clock time frame, ramping up a bit at 4 o'clock in the morning. That will continue through the morning hours tomorrow. So be mindful of that. That's the fly in the ointment tomorrow morning. We do have near 40-mile-an-hour gusts in Sun River. These are estimated. And in Madras, we're looking at near 40-mile-an-hour gusts as well at the 10 o'clock time frame. North of us, there is a wind advisory. That's until 10 a.m. Saturday, and that is for winds coming out of the southwest at about 25 to 35 miles an hour. It is north of us in Wasco and Wheeler counties, but we're close enough for us to be a bit concerned. I just showed you the estimates there. What's the other big weather event? Persistent wet pattern. We're going to continue to see light to moderate rain through the day today, and gusty winds are expected to maintain that presence overnight, as I just showed you. So here's a look at the moisture that is tapering off. So the moderate and light rain for now is settling down. We're going to get more of that coming in, but for now we're definitely looking at the bulk of the wet weather heading off along Highway or Interstate 84 in portions of Idaho. All right, let's take the future track and show you what's going on. This is going to tell the tale. All right, we got here at 7 a.m. on our Saturday. Quiet start, great news for the parade stepping off at noon. We'll see cloud cover off to the west and maybe some mountain snow possible as we get into the 11 p.m. time frame. So it's going to take a while for this snow to come on back, and we'll see a wintry mix there as we head into the overnight time frame Saturday into Sunday. And then Sunday at 4 a.m., we're looking at some robust rain to the north, arcing its way through into the eastern portions of Oregon. But in the morning hours of Sunday morning, before you're heading out to Sunday morning services, the roads are going to get wet with a little bit of a mix in there. At 10 a.m. on Sunday, it stays back in through the western portion of the state, mainly along the Cascades. Rainy pattern continues on Sunday. Monday at 10 a.m., we're looking at more rain. A lot of it still to the west of us, not so much here in the Tri-Counties. And on Monday, this atmospheric river starts to set up. So look at the rainfall amounts. We're going to get about 1/3 of an inch from the event overnight into our Sunday time frame, but we are going to be seeing a lot more coming our way. Yeah, look at all that over on top of the Cascades. There could be some minor flooding after the weekend. Snowfall amounts really not that impressive, so we'll move past that. Right now we have a 54 and a 53 in Bend and Redmond respectively. Around the region, 46 in Lapine, 53 in Redmond, 47 in Sisters, and a 52 in the Prineville area. So here is what we do have for the extended. 53 on Sunday with a 56 on Monday. Again, you're looking at scattered showers off and on starting Sunday again and lingering through Thursday.